Welcome to Intro to Processing JS, a collection of tutorials which I will teach you basics of Processing JS, a visual library used in JavaScript. The editor I'm using is the Khan Academy editor, which I will be providing a link to the description. So let's start with Intro to Processing JS. The first lesson is Intro to Basic Shapes, like rectangles, circles, and ellipses. Let me just show you a quick demo to see how Processing JS works. Here you go, a circle, a big circle at the middle of the canvas. Okay, let's get right into the video. So, the Processing JS editor has different built-in functions like ellipse, which I will teach you right now. So ellipse takes an x variable, an x coordinate, a y coordinate, the width of the ellipse, and the height of the ellipse. The x coordinate is horizontal, and there's 400 pixels in the canvas. So in the middle would be 200, and the y actually starts from here. 0 would be above, as you can see, and let's make it 50 pixels wide and 50 pixels high. As you can see, it's above starts here, not lower. So if we wanted to make it closer to the top of the screen, we would do 100, but closer to the bottom of the screen would be 300. But if you want to do in the middle, just do 200. So we can also make ellipses, and it grows as you press it. There's negative values too, but try not to use them because they're messy and they're not really needed. Anyway, so that was our first shape, and let's get into the second shape. Rectangle. A rectangle is different though. So it has the x coordinate like before, 200, y coordinate, 200, and to make it a square, we would put both 200 and 200, 200, 200. But you're wondering, why is it in the bottom left, bottom right? That's because the rectangle's x coordinate is actually taken from the left corner, because the rect mode is designed to take all of the coordinates by the left corner. So we would have to do a bit of math to get there. So since our 200 wide, so we would put 100 because that's half of it, and we would put 100 here too, and now we have in the middle. But if you don't want to do all of that work, you can just put rect mode, and there's different modes. The modes are either corners, center, or radius. The default is corner. So center, we just make it in the center like an ellipse. It's very useful in collisions, which is a lot advanced in the future. So anyway, the rectangle is not finished yet. The rectangle has one more property and up to 8 parameters. So the fifth property is radius. So we can put the radius to 10, and as you can see, it is rounded. The top radius is 20. It doesn't round any more than 20. Everything over 20 is a circle. Like 20 is the closest thing you can go without being a circle. So anyway, that's not all. You can actually specify different, let's say you want to make this part 20, this part 10, this part 50, and this part 20. You can do that. All you just have to do is put it. So let's put 20 for the left corner, 50 here, 100 here, and 10 here. And now we have a cool type of circle. It's like a left corner circle. This is useful in stuff like if you want to make it slightly curved. like that, which are cool in buttons. So anyway, that's the second thing, and that's all for today, folks. And this I'll be back next time. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.